This desk is great. It's so easy to use, and it was really easy to set up. My son did most of it by himself. As you can see, it's got a pocket where he can put his headphones or homework. It's really great, and it also has an LED. See if this will turn on. That my team thinks is pretty cool.
Criminal organization known as the Foot Clan, so named because they step over the good people of this city with no regard. Their leader, the Shredder, will come at you with ferocity. His Foot Clan will out.